listen up. Okay, listen up. Okay, listen up. Okay, listen up. Okay, listen up. Okay.
Okay, that's how long I've had this. You know, right around, or right after COVID, the workforce in the world who manufacture our products that we buy, like this light right here, okay? If you think about how COVID hit that country, that's where it originated from, it just wiped out. I mean, like, you know, millions. We really don't even know. It was horrible. And if you ask me, it was like a genocide, if you ask me. But I'm not going to get into the politics. But anyway, I bought a lot of car parts or any kind of aftermarket things. You notice that years ago, you know, how much something was compared to now. It's our dollar has been devalued, you know, around the world. Not only that, you look at the quality, it's just beginning to come back. If you realize, okay, a factory where this is made, okay, and what this is, well, I'll tell you in a minute, but it's just like a underhood kind of clip-on light. You look at the factory where this was made in 2019. How long were those workers, you know, making these? For a few years. Well, you get good at your job, and it's pretty high quality and whatever. But if you're like a new person hired, are you going to do the a high quality job as the person that's been there 10 years? No, of course not. Well, that's what happened to the market of all of our goods, not just lights or whatever, but you know, everything that comes from any country that manufactures a lot of things. And it's not just China. You look at Brazil, whatever. You know, their workforces were just, you know, wiped out basically, and had to hire a bunch of new people. And the new people really don't, you know their job very well. And it's just about, you know, a bunch of product in warehouses loaded up. You're gonna get rusty things. You know, anybody that works in cars knows what I'm talking about. And this is what this video is geared towards: geared heads. So, what this is a light. You can put it here. You can turn these.
I'm not used to doing it with one hand.
Holy cow. Well, okay. There we go. Got that one there. It wants to go together. Yeah. You got that one here, and you got this one. Holy cow. Now you can rotate the light the way you want it to. I've only used this one time, not even on the car. I had it down in my buddy's basement. I had to look for something. Anyway, and yeah, but this is like, it's woo, that's one, and then I guess low, and then off. Yeah. So you got high, low, and off, and you open it up like this, and then it's got these clips, rubberized clips, that grip onto your hood or underneath your car. I mean, that's what I got this for. And you know, you can angle a very, very bright light wherever you need it, basically. You know, and it's all rechargeable and everything. I forgot what I paid for it.
Hasta la vista.